In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board in Miro in just 5 minutes. Whether you're collaborating with a team remotely or planning your next creative project, Miro offers a versatile digital whiteboard experience that's both dynamic and easy to use. First, you'll need to navigate to the Miro website. Simply open your web browser and type in miro.com. Once you're on the homepage, you're ready to dive into the process of creating your very own board. Up on the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you haven't logged in before, you'll see several sign-in options. For ease and speed, choose the Google option. Clicking on this will prompt you to select the Google account you'd like to use. This is where you connect your Miro experience with the convenience of your Google credentials. No need to remember yet another password. Once you're logged into Miro, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you manage all your activities and projects, but today, our focus is on creating a new board. Look for the Create New button. This is your gateway to initiating fresh projects. Give it a click. After clicking Create New, a menu will appear showing different types of projects you can start. Make sure to select Board. This is the heart of Miro's functionality, offering you a blank canvas to plan, design, and collaborate on whatever you wish. Congrats! Just like that, you've created your first board, but there's more you can do. If you check under My Boards from your dashboard, you'll see the board you just created. Clicking on My First Board, Miro will take you to your board, all set and ready for your input. Creating a board in Miro is that simple and fast. The real magic lies in the creative possibilities it unlocks. From adding sticky notes and images to embedding videos and documents, Miro's interface is intuitive, making collaboration across teams a breeze. Remember, your board is not just a static image, it's a living, breathing workspace where ideas can flourish, all happening in real time with your colleagues, no matter where they are in the world. That wraps up our guide on setting up a board in Miro. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to log in, create, and begin customizing your digital workspace. Explore its capabilities, invite your teammates, and watch your productivity soar. Thank you for watching, and happy brainstorming.